Good day everyone. There's an interesting question in one of our previous video about this watch, GShock DW9052, and the question is, what if we change the strap from this watch using the strap from this watch, DW5600, because they're both using different system for the interface. So this one for the 9052, it's moving freely. It's using the same 16mm spring bar, but it's moving freely and there's no stopper below that. Okay, and then for this one, DW5600, it is fixed like this with 16mm spring bar, and it has a stopper under the strap. Okay, let me try to swap it and I will show you the result. Okay, a little information. Removing the strap from this one, 9052, is easier because there are no stopper below that and the position is more free. And removing from this one, DW5600, is a bit more difficult. Okay, now let me swap the strap. Okay, here's the result. GShock DW9052 with the strap from DW5600. Looks good, I think so. And this model or this profile is looking nice on it. It's just that this stopper will push this holder or the bezel holder or bezel stopper. Okay, and let me try to wear it on my wrist. Wait a moment. Okay, it will look like this. So for me, frankly speaking, it's a no. Sorry, because as you can see here, it has this very visible gap and it's not nice to see something like this for this strap model. But anyway, it's up to you. If you want to try, then go ahead, no problem. It's possible to install with that two things. First is the gap, and then second is the stopper. Okay, now let's move to the next one. What if I put the strap for the DW9052 to the DW5600? What will happen? Okay, it's easier to install because there are no stopper here, and this is how it will look. Yeah, it sits well but not the best. Let me try on my wrist. Here it is, DW5600 with the strap from 9052, and to be honest, it's more comfortable on the wrist, but still it looks not the best here. Okay, I don't like the gap here. So that's for you who want to know if it is possible to put the strap to each other. Yes, it's possible, but there are some notes, and let me summarize. For this one, the 9052 with the strap from DW5600, you will see this gap, and also you will have this problem with the stopper. Okay, and then for this one, 5600 using the strap from 9052, you will see this gap, and also, yeah, I think that's the most biggest concern for me. And it's more comfortable, but it's just cosmetically or visually less pleasing. Okay, that's all for this video. Hopefully this is useful and can answer some of your questions. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye.